This is the only scene where the blue guy kind of gets lost in the background. But we could fix that by making another version of this background and darkening the area over here so he pops out more. Let's do that. So spacestation.png, I'm going to bring that into Photoshop. I'm going to make a new layer, get the gradient tool, the drop down up here, let's click on basics and click on the second one over. The second one over is foreground to transparent, so black to see-through. Let's come down here and I'm going to do a click and drag to the right of the image like this. And then take the opacity of that and bring it down a little bit, maybe like at 50%. And then do File, Export, Quick Export as PNG. Put that in your folder, and we're going to name this spacestationdark.png. Click Save. Minimize Photoshop. Let's bring that spacestationdark.png into the beginning of the film on the timeline. And I'm going to zoom in so we can see it better. I'm going to delete this one and drag this to the end of that scene and select it so we can play around with the positioning. I'm going to bring the position up and bring the position over to the right a little bit so the darkness is behind that character so the character pops out better. That looks good. This lesson will continue in the next video.